Oh, open-minded. I mean, especially the defense. They need to continue to find the people that really are just going to be open-minded, and because they have some good arguments. I mean, the third-party culprit, let's see if they're able to establish the foundation, because one of the court's decisions was that they cannot open to Brian Albert or Brian Higgins. They can't even get into Colin, and they're going to need to establish the foundation. This is going to look different, though, because one of the experts, the new expert's really going to be good for the Commonwealth, and that is bringing in the engineer, the biomechanical engineer. They did not have the engineer the first time on the accident reconstruction scene. They only called the trooper, and he was very green. He didn't have much experience, and it came through with his testimony. So the prosecutor, Brennan, has brought in this hired gun, really, as an engineer to really explain the crash and how those injuries could have been caused. And that was one of the biggest points of contention that I think resulted in the hung jury. And new prosecutor, number one. And I think that they really have the advantage on the second time around, because this defense came up with various different arguments and cross-examination tactics that surprised the prosecutor first round. And it wasn't an acquittal. There were people in that room that were voting guilty too. So I think that Brennan coming in is going to really help the prosecutor. And then again, I think that biomechanical engineer is going to be the difference maker for the prosecutor. That accident reconstruction specialist was not competent enough to testify on the most critical issue of cause. And I think that Brennan did the right thing by bringing in that engineer. Now they have to come before the jury and explain that they've been terminated as well, and they've been sanctioned, and there's been consequences. That's one check in the defense column as well.
All right, good point. Let's get a break.